Discover how to use AI-powered tools to offer personalized tutoring services and make your business stand out. Watch now to learn more. Are you an educator looking to acquire new skills and stay ahead of the curve? With AI-powered online tutoring, you can now offer your students a personalized learning experience with maximum flexibility, allowing for instruction no matter the time of day or night. It's time to take your tutoring business to the next level by leveraging the power of AI technology. In this video, we'll be exploring how to use AI-powered tools to offer personalized services and make sure your tutoring business stands out among the competition. Don't miss out on this opportunity to provide the best instruction plans and keep your customers happy. Watch now to learn more. Are you ready to revolutionize your tutoring business? Subscribe to 33 Cubed and stay tuned to learn more about how AI-powered tools can help you offer personalized services and stand out amongst the competition. Are you looking for a way to learn that's tailored to your individual needs and goals? AI-powered online tutoring is the perfect solution for you. With AI, you can get a personalized experience that's tailored to your learning style. Plus, chatbots can answer your questions quickly and easily, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in a crowded classroom or lecture hall. Online tutors can also scale their services more effectively than traditional methods, since there are no physical limits on where they can reach out from one computer screen. And you'll save time traveling back and forth, since help is just an internet connection away, no matter what time of day or night it is. So why should you consider AI-powered online tutoring? What does this method of teaching have to offer over other educational options? Are you considering AI-powered online tutoring? It offers a lot of advantages compared to traditional methods. You can enjoy the convenience, access, and scalability that this type of teaching provides. But to get the best results, there are certain skills you need. This includes knowledge of pedagogy, technology, and software applications like Zoom and Skype. You also need to be good at communication, interpersonal skills, and problem solving. So what makes an exceptional AI-powered tutor? What abilities do they need to be successful? When setting up an AI-powered online tutoring business, it's important to make sure that the tutors you have the right skill and qualifications. They should have knowledge of the subject, experience teaching it, and excellent communication skills. They should also be comfortable using technology like Zoom or Skype for virtual private lessons and knowledgeable in using AI tools designed for tutoring. Patience with students learning new concepts is essential, and flexibility is key if a student needs help more than expected. Having certifications or degrees related to education can bring legitimacy and open opportunities for higher pay rates, since they are proven experts guiding learners. So what does successful AI-powered online tutoring require? How do you get started building up a team ready to accept such challenges? What qualifications and skills should AI-powered online tutors have? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Getting set up for AI-powered online tutoring isn't something that happens overnight. Tutors should understand the different business models available, like flat rate, hourly rate, project-based, and subscription services, to make sure that they are charging a fair but profitable price that's right for their expertise. Knowing which model works best will help create stability both in terms of income and customer satisfaction with your service. Additionally, it's important to incorporate AI technology into your teaching style when possible. These tools can provide more personalized instruction chances faster than ever before. Incorporating innovative features like virtual whiteboards or conversational chatbots keeps student engagement high, while adding efficiency through the use of automation systems built specifically for learners' needs. If all aspects are taken seriously, setting up this type of tuition can be very beneficial, not only from a financial point of view, but you also get invaluable insight from helping students learn new material every day. So what other steps should someone take if they're just starting out on their journey towards running a successful AI-powered online tutoring business? Once you've decided which type of business is best for AI-powered online tutoring, your next step is to think about how to incorporate AI into your services. AI can be a powerful tool to help you engage with customers and increase your efficiency. You can use automated scheduling systems or virtual whiteboards customized to each student's individual needs. Voice recognition tools and conversation bots tailored to their learning objectives can also help create a better experience for learners and instructors. Overall, transitioning from traditional learning methods to an AI-powered form of tuition requires dedication, but it can bring multiple rewards if done right. Not only can you benefit financially, you can also shape future generations and witness amazing moments created during unique interactions between a mentor and student. When looking at innovative technologies like AI becoming more closely intertwined with education, what useful implications could arise when everything else around us seems so uncertain? AI is revolutionizing the tutoring industry by allowing services to be tailored and personalized for each student. AI algorithms can create customized curriculums, making it easier than ever before for students to reach their desired goals quickly and efficiently. Chatbots can also answer common questions with accuracy while providing instantaneous feedback, enabling tutors to increase efficiency in customer service departments without having a real-life person present at all times. Moreover, AI-powered tools can help identify areas where learners are struggling so they can receive targeted support that would not otherwise exist due to a lack of resources or educators' time constraints. Additionally, AI can track progress made over time on an individual level as opposed to traditional approaches that focus on improving general knowledge, instead of personalizing and adapting educational programs based on student strengths and weaknesses. How can leveraging available technologies help us optimize our teaching results within such an intricate system that the modern world demands? What strategies could you suggest for leveraging available technologies to optimize teaching results within the modern educational system? Leave your answer in the comments down below. Online tutors have the chance to use advanced technologies like AI and computer-based automation to offer their services. These tools can give students personalized learning experiences that respond faster than traditional tutorials. Plus, they can access help whenever they need it, making customers happy because they don't have to be physically present in an education institution or a tutor's house. Virtual conferencing also makes this demand even bigger because it gives more flexibility and saves time and money on traveling for appointments between the student and the instructor. But what strategies can educators use to attract potential customers without spending too much money? Attracting and keeping students can be tough, as there's a lot of competition in the online tutorial market. To make sure a business stands out, you should think about offering personalized services to clients like one-on-one tutorials or tailored lesson plans. You can also give rewards to loyal customers so they have reason to keep working with you. This builds loyalty and trust between you and your customers, which is really important when creating customer satisfaction. Communication is also key, making sure you're reachable through different ways like phone calls or emails so you can address any problems or concerns quickly without having to go in circles. How to build a platform for online tutoring. Building and managing an AI-powered online tutoring platform requires a robust technology stack and suite of tools and software. The platform's AI capabilities will require machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, data storage technologies like MongoDB or Cassandra, and cloud-based computing platforms like AWS or Azure. Additionally, web application frameworks like Django or Ruby on Rails will be necessary to build the platform's front-end and back-end interfaces. For communication and collaboration between tutors and students, the platform will require video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype and messaging platforms like Slack or Discord. Payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal are needed for secure payment transactions, and analytics tools like Google Analytics or Mixpanel will help keep track of user behavior and engagement. Now, how could AI technology help improve personalization while keeping clients happy? Making sure your clients are happy should be your top priority. As a tutor, you need to focus on providing personalized support, communicating effectively with students and families during the program, and continuously improving services based on feedback. It's important to be responsive and make adjustments when needed quickly, as this shows your customers that their needs come first. Creating engaging online lessons also helps your tutoring business grow by building trust through a positive learning experience that's both entertaining and educational. Don't forget to ask for feedback from new learners as well. This helps increase client happiness and even teach you something new. So why haven't all educators adopted AI-powered tools to save time and create better quality instruction plans? The many benefits of AI-powered online tutoring for both educators and students. Online tutoring provides flexibility, scalability, and accessibility, and AI tools can create personalized instruction plans, chatbots that answer students' questions quickly, and virtual whiteboards that increase engagement. Successful AI-powered online tutors should have knowledge of their subject, experience teaching, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, and comfort using technology like Zoom or Skype. They should also understand the different business models like flat rate, hourly rate, project-based, and subscription services, and incorporate AI tools into the teaching style to increase efficiency. This article also discusses the benefits of AI algorithms, which can create custom curriculums and identify areas where learners are struggling, allowing targeted support that would not be possible otherwise. Overall, AI-powered online tutoring requires dedication but can bring multiple rewards if done correctly, shaping future generations and witnessing amazing moments crafted during unique interactions between mentors and students. Do you want to be ahead of the curve and learn how to create and sell AI-generated art? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn how AI technology can be used to create unique and beautiful works of art. Watch our next video, How to Create and Sell AI-Generated Art, a beginner's guide, to find out how you can get started now.